Hi everyone, I'm Tiffany, manager at Earth and Skin, and today I'm going to show you how to shape your own eyebrows. So the tool you're going to need to achieve the look today are a spoolie, also known as a little brush. If you don't have one exactly like this, you can use a Mewtwo brush. You can also clean an old mascara wand. Also a good working tweezer. I personally prefer an angled one, and also a little pair of scissors, but that's optional if you feel like you need to trim your brows. Before I tell you how I do my own brows, I will share with you the most common mistake that people are doing. A lot of people are removing way too much hair in the middle. I'll show you how to do the right measurement after. Second mistake is people are removing more than one hair at a time when they twist their eyebrows, and this can lead to mistakes. And another one is that they are removing too much from the top, or they are trimming too much brows, so it ends up with some holes in the shape. Alright, I'll now share with you how I determine how I'm going to shape my brows. Just a disclaimer, I know there's multiple ways to do that, but my personal favorite is to use your own facial features to determine how to do it. So the first one is by using the edge of your nose and the outside corner of your eye. So this is to know where I'm going to start shaping. Then to know where I'm going to do my arch is by using the edge of my nose, looking straight, and the outside of my pupil. So this will be the highest point of my brow. And to know how the brow should end is by using the tip of my nose here and the outside corner of my eye. Just like this. I'm going to do it section by section. So like I said, the first measurement to determine how much I remove inside is by going like this, outside corner of my eye, and like this. So everything that is inside here, I'm free to remove it. Keep brushing them up. Do a little bit at a time and just take a few steps back from the mirror, so this way you can have a view of all your face and not focus on just a little bit at the time and removing too much. Okay, second step is to know how much high I want my brows. So to get where the highest point should be is by using, again, the edge of my nose and the outside of my pupil, just like this. So basically this should be the highest point. So I'm going to remove all of my brow here, and this will really get that archy brows that everybody desires. So it's really important to pull the hair in the direction it grows, so really to glide it out of the pore, so this way it's going to grow back much smoother. Alright, so I'm done doing my arch, and last step, to know how long or short you want your brows, you're going to measure the edge of your nose, edge of your eye, like this. So that should be here. So basically you don't want your hair to be lower than this. Some people let it too low, and this can give you that look, like a drowning eye look. So I'm going to do a little lift by removing these hair. The last step is optional, it's trimming. You have to be very, very careful when you do so. So to make sure you don't end up with gaps and holes, brush all your hair up so you're sure that all the excess won't affect your shape. So just like this, and everything that comes out, I don't necessarily like to trim it to the edge of my brow, but I would cut half of it so it doesn't look as messy, but it still looks full. Thanks everyone for watching our video on how to achieve a natural brows. Hope you learned a trick or two. Make sure to visit our online shop at earthandskin.com.au. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any comments, suggestions, write them down below or DM us on all of our social and we'll be there to answer all of your questions.